Do you know how to use cosine rule to work out an advanced higher tier question? For this one, we've been asked to work out the angle ADC, which is over here. We've been given two triangles for a reason. The one that we have our angle in currently doesn't have enough information to help us, so that's why we need to look at triangle ABC first. What do the two triangles have in common that we could work out in ABC to help us with triangle ADC? Well, they both share side AC, so that would be the most logical one to work out. As you can see, normally cosine rule to find a side we use based in terms of angle A. Here we have it based in terms of angle B. So what I like to do to avoid any confusion is change the labels. So let's call this one A to match with our formula, which would make the opposite side side A. The C can stay where it is, so side C would be 9.8, and then the A would become B, and so 6.9 is side B. Now it's a lot easier to make sure that we substitute correctly into the formula. So this is what I will type into my calculator. As you can see, I get a number that's quite large for a side. That's because we found a squared. So I also need to remember to square root my answer. So the side that they both share is 10.85 ... Now that we have more information about our second triangle, we can go ahead and use the formula to work out the angle. You've got two options here. Either you memorize the rearranged formula to have the angle as the subject, or you just rearrange this formula yourself. Again, the formula is with a base of angle A, so I'm going to swap all of my letters again. Instead of D, I'm going to put this as A, so the 10.85 is still side A. The B can stay as it is, making 17.4 side B, and the C can also stay as it is, making 18.6 side C. And I'm going to substitute that into my formula where cos A is the subject. As we're looking for an angle, I'm going to also use cos inverse of all of that fraction, which gives me 34.898. So to one decimal place, I get angle ADC to be 34.9 degrees. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where I have full videos going into more detail. Link is in my bio.